Today, I want to talk about what are the most popular updates to do in a kitchen in 2023 to help add value to your home. Hi, my name is Deanna Bradford, and I'm a realtor with Reese Nichols Realtors, part of the Bill Hightower team. So, the first part of the kitchen to consider upgrading is your backsplash. It is one of the easiest and most affordable things that you can change, and it can add color and pattern and personality to your kitchen in a very cost-effective way. It's also a protection for your walls against splatters and spills. So when considering what kind of backsplash to get for your kitchen, consider your budget and your style. There are a variety of options that you can choose from when looking at different kinds of backsplash. There's glass, tile, and even stone backsplashes. You can go with a more of a tile look, or you can even do a solid surface backsplash. Now let's talk about countertops next. This is another important part of the kitchen. They should be durable and easy to clean, and another area where you can be stylish in the kitchen. There are a variety of countertop materials that you can choose from. They range anywhere from granite or quartz, marble, or even laminate. What kind of countertop you pick is going to depend on the style, again, of your kitchen and your budget. Now, let's talk about appliances. Appliances are important because they are a functional aspect of your kitchen. So when considering appliances, think of the functionality, think of how you use your kitchen and what's going to best suit you based on your needs. But you can also add some style based on the type of appliances that you pick when thinking about color and size and the different types of appliances available out there even now. Appliances also have the aspect of being energy efficient, so they can save energy and they can save on water, and that alone can help add value to your home. Now let's move on to cabinets. Changing cabinets is a major investment when updating your kitchen, but that investment can add a lot of value to your home as well. So if your cabinets are outdated, consider updating them with a new color, style, or finish. Sometimes you can get away with just replacing the fronts of the cabinets, the doors themselves. Other times a full replacement is more necessary. Again, thinking about your budget and the functionality of your space and just your style in general will help you determine the best kind of cabinets that will work best for you. Good lighting in a kitchen is essential, and it can help create a functional and inviting space. It's important to consider the type of activity that will be taking place in your kitchen when considering the kind of lighting that you want to put in there. For example, different kinds of lighting for eating, for cleaning, and for cooking. Different kinds of lighting are things like your mounted lights, fixtures that hang down over the island, or recessed lighting that is set into the ceiling and doesn't come down at all. Also consider natural lighting by having bigger windows or a sunlight in the ceiling. And then also consider under-mounted lights under the cabinets that help light up the counter space area a little better. All these have different functions and purposes that help make the kitchen a more inviting and practical space to use. And finally, when considering what kind of updates to do in your kitchen, let's talk about the flooring. The flooring in the kitchen should be very functional, easy to clean, and again, stylish. There are a variety of options available when considering what kind of flooring to put down, anywhere from wood floors to tile to laminate. There's a lot of options out there now that are great for the durability, that are easy to clean, and will just add a lot of style to your kitchen. So I hope this is helpful when considering what areas of your kitchen to consider updating when you are trying to consider ways that might add value to your home. I hope these tips are helpful. Let me know if you like these ideas by liking this video. And then don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified as we put new content out each week. Thanks again for joining, and have a blessed day.